Hi everyone and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today is going to be a very fun video. I'm hosting a collaboration that's called International Ornament Collaboration. Everyone participating is going to make ornaments representing the country that they chose, and there's going to be a lot of participants, and all of these participants are absolutely amazing. I will link everyone's channel down below along with the playlist that you can just click and then watch everyone's videos, see what countries they chose, and it is going to be so much fun. The country that I chose was Ukraine. My husband is Ukrainian and I'm half Ukrainian, so I decided to make ornaments to represent that country. And I wanted to show you some of the jewelry that I have from Ukraine that I'm also going to be showing in the ornaments, but this is so pretty. This is all beads. Look at this, you guys. And they are so pretty, so detailed. And I want to show you two more pieces really quick. So check out this gorgeous poppy seed. This is all handmade out of beads. My mother-in-law hooked me up with these. She knows how I love jewelry, so she bought me a whole bunch. You're going to see a few more in the video that she got me. But yeah, look at the detail, and these are little berries on there. But look at this. It's just so detailed, so beautiful. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately. I'm just putting some painter's tape to divide this ornament into two sections, because this one is going to be the Ukrainian flag, and it was really important for me to do this one because the Ukrainian flag, the cool thing about it is it stands for, so the yellow stands for the fields of wheat and the blue stands for the sky. And you know, for me it's a memory when I drive in, like right after you land, when we drive to the city where my husband's family is, there's lots of wheat fields and it's so beautiful, and it just brings back really beautiful memories for me. So that's why I wanted to make sure I did that. So on top is going to be blue, and at the bottom it's going to be yellow. Okay, so now let's be realistic. This is plastic and we have acrylic paint on it. We have no choice. We have to Mod Podge it and give it a nice seal, or even two. And when we wake up in the morning. Okay guys, I have two pieces of ribbon, and these are about 12 inches each. I'm going to lay one over the other. Find my center, and I'm going to start with my needle and thread going down, meaning I want my knot to be on top. Then I'm going to flip it over 2 inches, and at the 2-inch mark, I'm going to feed my needle through, making sure that everything's centered. There you go. And that's my first loop. And then I'm going to measure 2 inches with this side. There you go. And then with my needle, I'm going to go in. Please use caution. You see me just sticking my needle everywhere, but please use caution. And you have a nice centered bow. That's it, you guys. Just start from the back, measure, do the first loop, measure, do the second loop, and you have a perfect little bow. Now I'm just going to go back and forth a few times to lock it in. It's just gonna be you and me. For the center, I'm just grabbing that leftover piece of yellow ribbon that I cut off.
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but...
Ukraine is also known for their gorgeous floral headdresses or floral crowns. The old times they used to wear them at weddings, and now you could just see people sometimes on the street putting them on, like, and wearing just like a little headband with flowers, you know, either red ones or yellow and blue ones. I'm using just 3 chenille wires and I'm just braiding them. That's where my flowers are gonna go. And also I am going to be adding a little bit of ribbon because a lot of these headdresses, they have ribbons flowing from the actual piece onto your hair, kind of in the back. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna be using blue, yellow, and red.
In the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home.
Now I'm grabbing some really thin ribbon and I'm using red, yellow, and blue, cutting them into 12-inch strips, and then all I'm doing is just tying them to 1/4 of my little wreath because they are supposed to just hang at the bottom of the wreath. They don't have to be all the way around. I decided to start with these berries, go all the way around as much as I can, and then I'm going to fill in here and there with the blue flowers. So I tried to make these blue flowers work and I just don't think that they do. I'm gonna put them on the side, but this yellow does work with it. And it works with the appropriate colors, and I think I'm just going to take this little piece that I had on hand and I'm just going to insert them here and there. Maybe add a little bit more berries here and there. And I just want a little bit of that yellow peeking through.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about it.
To get started on this ornament, I'm just pouring some acrylic paint inside the ornament and just swirling it around until it's white all the way around. Then I'm going to set it down, and I actually ended up leaving it overnight. For this ornament, I wanted to show you the inspiration. These are Ukrainian Jordan traditional necklaces. These were given to me by my mother-in-law as gifts, and they are so beautiful. This one is my favorite. And you can see these kind of designs on shirts and everywhere. So let me put these away. But aren't these just gorgeous? I love these. And when I was in Ukraine last time, which was quite a bit ago, I got these napkins and I decided to Mod Podge one of these prints straight onto the ornament. Okay, there's a line in the middle of the ornament where you could tell the halfway point is, and I'm going to follow that to start off my 2 sides. I'm dabbing, but I'm dabbing very lightly. I have a brush that's kind of soft. It's almost like the type of brush, I mean, it's a little rougher than the one that when they do your nails, you know how they have that really pretty brush. It's kind of like that, So I know it's not going to rip my napkin, but if you have rougher brushes, just lightly pat the Mod Podge on there. Now just putting a little bit of this beautiful ribbon on. I'm going to try to make a very small bow, and when I'm doing small bows, I'm not afraid to use a little bit of needle and thread. I'm just basically knotting it so it stays secure. This is not for children. Very, very lightly cinch the edge. I'm actually not touching the flame. I do it by the flame. It's actually kind of cute like that. But if you wanted it to go down like this, I would just put a tab of glue right there in the corner and then just cinch it down like this. But I actually think it looks really, really cute like this. Do you guys see why I can't have nice ornaments on the tree? Busted. It was just trying to get into that little space right there. Leo, are you ashamed of yourself? Leo. I had so much fun making these ornaments. I think they turned out great. My husband loved them. So I know I represented Ukraine to the best of my ability. So let me know down below which one was your favorite, as always. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up button. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.